So there's this cave. I don't know if I'm supposed to go in it or if I'm supposed to avoid it. So the forecast called for thunderstorms and lightning and rain. And of course I'm just like, bro, look at all that. There's no way. And then here comes the thunderstorm, the rain, and the lightning. I'm like an hour and a half walk to the nearest like like rest stop, or like where they have like where there's people. So let's see how this goes. Close your eyes in the bright light. Can you see me in your mind like I see you? All right, guys. Well, I might actually be fucked because I just heard one of the loudest sounds of thunder. And again, I'm like 2 hours away from where I need to be. So I'm gonna be stuck in this freaking thunderstorm on the mountaintop. So yeah, I'm panicking. So I am trying my best to get back to where I need to be. I'll keep you guys updated. This butterfly has literally been like flying with me the last like 30 seconds, 45 seconds. And like, it's calmed me down because like in my head, I'm just like, that's your grandmother saying, it's okay, be calm, you'll be all right. I'm like walking a butterfly. So that was like 3 minutes of calmness, and then I heard the thunderstorm again. All right, so like the birds have started to chirp very loudly, and there's now a breeze, a steady breeze. So I'm assuming that the storm is pretty close. I don't know anything about like storm surges or like thunderstorms or anything like that, but I'm just going off of like movies. So